तो यार मैंने क्या सोचा कि कुछ अजीबो-गरीब करते हैं बिकॉज़ आई वांट टू गिव बैक समथिंग टू माय ऑडियंस हू हैज़ बीन फॉलोइंग मी, हू हैज़ बीन विद मी। सो आपको पता होगा कि मेरा पुराना ब्लॉग था जो रसबेरी के बर्थडे का टाइम था। एक्चुअली ये ब्लॉग का बनाने का आइडिया बहुत टाइम से मैं लिटरली बहुत तुम्हारी आइडिया मेरे इसमें से 10 लोग तो मेरे साथ जुड़ेंगे हमेशा के लिए, बट उसमें से एक ऐसा सुपर विनर होगा या एक ऐसा सुपर फैन होगा जिसको कि आई विल गिव माय प्लेयर।
वाओ, लिटरली वाओ। मतलब कोई अपना प्ले बटन अपने ही ऑडियंस को दे रहा है। सो ये वीडियो इसी चीज के ऊपर है और थोड़ा अपने आप को भी डिस्क्राइब करते हैं। सो दिस इज अ कॉन्टेस्ट गिवन बाय आवर गौरव भैया, आवर फ्लाइंग बीस्ट। तो उनका ये चैलेंज था कि मतलब चैलेंज कॉन्टेस्ट बोल सकते हैं इसको, ये कॉन्टेस्ट है उन लोगों के लिए जो लोग मतलब क्या बोले, मतलब गौरव भैया अपने ऑडियंस को अपना सिल्वर प्ले बटन, सोचिए सिल्वर प्ले बटन गिफ्ट कर रहे हैं। मतलब करते ही जाए। हाँ, तो हमने भी पार्टिसिपेट किया। एज यू नो, हमने वीडियो सब कुछ अभी उसी पर बात चल रहा है। Why do I participated? And so I am 16 and I am from West Bengal. PURUL पुरुलिया, लिख लो, मेरे को नहीं पता। So my name is Arijit and you can personally know me as AJ Vlogs or Arijit Vlogs. So my point of view is not to get that subscribe button, although I do. Yeah, I do. Who would not? But from my point of view, it's opportunity. How? We are the small content creators who are looking forward to our career, who wanted to make content like epic. We wanted to make content like epic as work. And you know that we are, although I'm saying that we are small content creators, we don't get views, we don't get a hype like this. Oh, no. This is the time. This is the time when we are getting the opportunity from getting this to this. So, I am following Gaurav Bhaiya for more than 2 years, and now it's a part of my day where I watch his videos for making my mind fresh or to get a relaxing life. I am following him because the work which he do with his other works is just great. What he does is not like this, it's much more than this. The job in which he has involved himself and continuing the vlog and the YouTube mentality is just, oh my god, god damn. So why I have subscribed to him, the reason why I have subscribed to him, there are means very less vloggers in India, and if you have seen a vlogger who can make this much epic content, why would you not? Why would you not? In India, many people don't know what is vlogging, and we are the small creators who wanted to do what we want to, and if we get a upper hand to support us, how wonderful that is. Thanks Gaurav Bhaiya for giving this opportunity to help small content creators like us, and hope the best will win, and let's get in this game. Bye. Wait. The video is not over. ऐसे क्यों जाओगे यार? I hope to subscribe. Or if you guys see my program for the very first time, please hit the subscribe button, like if you enjoyed the video, and yeah, अब जब आई हूँ मेरे चैनल में बाकी कंटेंट भी देख सकते हो, नो इशू, नो प्रॉब्लम, गो चेक दैट आउट. And if you want to see the Gaurav's Bhaiya or Flying Beast video, links will be in the description. You can see that, no problem. Check that out. And yeah, hope this one wins. I do want to do in that pitch. Let's see who wins. Vlogging is so much hard in India that if you vlog in your balcony, at least 3 people will see you. लिख के ले लो कहीं पर बैठे.